Spokane! Heading to Spokane. I did not know that's how you pronounced it. I thought it's Spokane.
No, it's Spokane. I love you, Spokane.
So we're heading to Spokane with our neighbors, our beloved friends, and our squad. This is our squad. And we're digging it. Okay. We all just got off at work except this guy right here.
I know,
Because
right?
he was off.
Lucky.
Oh my gosh.
Take a PTO.
Yeah,
So,
one day.
Yeah, we are all off.
I was
Not
expecting
off.
we
We were all
leave-
working
I'm sorry,
today.
leave
Gladys,
early.
Chrism, and I. So we work in the morning, and then right now the time is about 4:35, and we are heading to Spokane. It's about 4 hours ride going there, and it will be a fun road trip. It's our first time, actually not the first road trip together, but the first time where we work first and then head to our destinations. Come along with us and we'll show you guys around, and the next will be our dinner in 2 hours. So we'll see you later. Bye. So we are at the rest area right now. It's been an hour since I am driving. Nah, not really. See, isn't it nice? You can see yourself. We can see ourselves vlogging.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Can you? So.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at the resting piece.
Ready na siya.
Resting.
So he's taking over.
Yeah, because it will be 5-hour more drive.
I don't think so. It's only like 3 more hours. 1 hour down. 3 more hours to go. Yes. Hi! We made it to our destination. Woohoo! We are in Spokane, Washington. Yeah! We are at the hotel right now, and I'm actually still inside the car. It's cold outside, so I'll probably just stay here till they're all ready to exit. I mean, not exit. Gladys is inside, checking in. Anywho, we weren't able to vlog earlier on our first stop to eat dinner because I got so hungry and I just started digging in. Why is the light
What?
off? Okay, anyways. Okay, so we'll see you guys inside, and we are going to probably make a what? A little
Room tour.
a room tour. Anyways, bye. Alright, 2 queen size bed. Then we have a TV right there. It's a little desk. Someone is too busy going through her snacks. See? Curtain. And then the nightstand. And then that's their bed. That's me. Hi, you guys. Haggard over Zaza ang akong dagway. Oh, this is the bathroom. You got a phone here. So, you know, if you're taking care of business and you need food right after, you can call. You know, I know someone that goes through like this and bring it home.
Who's that?
My mom. Can't forget about these. You know, Jollibee is life. Alright, you guys. So we're gonna get ready for bed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Come along with us as we go around downtown Spokane. Watch.
Yo, you left your charger over there. So what's up, guys? We're here at County Fair. We're having a one-day party!
Hello! Hi, you guys!
One-day party!
The unicorns. The unicorns.
The unicorn.
The Hello Kitty.
And the blue bear.
The donkey.
Oh, donkey.
Blue bear. OMG.
Yes, good night. See you tomorrow, Spokane.
Spokane or Spokane?
Spokane. See you.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. We are up now, heading to the complimentary breakfast house. So we are heading out. We're out for an adventure again! Out and about. It's very cold outside, you know? Look at the trees! To the trees! To the trees!
It's autumn trees.
Autumn trees. Autumn trees? Look at her outfit of the day. I love it. So tell me something where you got this.
This is from Macy's.
How about
This is from Burlington.
Bongga? And look,
This is my... Oh my God, look! May mga lint.
it's okay. And the boots and Tadang, Bongga, and then there, his outfit of the day, and then that
My
one.
outfit of the day. The important thing is my GoPro backpack.
Which is cool. Which is cool. Okay, me, my outfit of the day. Just lang. These are all on sale. So, you know me, waes.
With my
Fur 20.
Is that hoodie?
Jacket.
No?
It is.
Oh shucks, I don't know how
I got it for
hoodie.
$20.
That's good.
And then
Meron ka
the
namang
shoe,
hat.
my boots is like buy one
My
get
boots
one
is...
at, where did I got it from?
That.
Okay, we go to Arizona, Grand Canyon.
Wait, I think I got it at Charlotte Russe. So buy one get one for like $20. So I have the black version, and then this leggings is from Forever 21 for $5, and that's it. So this is our outfit of the day.
First stop is Rose Gardens, Spokane, Manito Park. So this is how it looks like. Hey guys, so we're here at Duncan Garden, but it is wrong timing over here because they took out already the flowers. It's wrong time, but so far so good. I don't know if you can see it. Conservatory something.
10.
Right there.
What time is the time? What
Wait.
time is the time? It's 9.
The time is 9:20. Brought to you by closed circuit premises.
Wow.
So they conserve the plants inside, not exposed to the cold. Actually, it's pretty warm here. So try to look this. I don't know if you see this thing. So this is the second stop, not the second, but third stop here right now. It is nice. The fall, the colors.
It's cold.
The colors of the tree, like there, that's yellow. It's autumn. It's fall. The leaves is falling. So we're here at the Japanese park. Nishimiya Chikawa Japanese Garden, 1974.
How deep can we go?
Thank you for coming along with us. We just got done with our third stop and heading to our fourth one right now. Atikat is here.
Hi!
You know.
Yay! Kasama na ako sa video!
Alright, so see you guys later.
Guys!
'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
We are here at another park. Actually, we want to ride that gondola right there. I don't know if you can see it because I didn't show. Right there. We want to ride that gondola. The problem is, I think it's closed. I think they're doing some kind of renovation. I don't think we'll be able to experience it. I'm so bummed right now, but it's alright. Things happen for a reason. That's the gondola I was talking about earlier, and that takes you all the way down to there. Alright guys, so I finally got my facts together. The Skyride is not under renovation. We just didn't do our research before coming here. It's closed. It's only operational Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and during holidays. And today is a Monday. This is the oldest carousel ride thingy in Spokane. It's also closed. It's only open on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So why didn't we do our research before research? We didn't do our homework before coming here. So it's closed. We're not gonna get to experience that. We're not gonna get to experience the gondola ride. Anyhow, just showing you that's the one. St. John's Cathedral, and it's very quiet and solemn. You know, I can really experience myself here because it's very quiet. I can only hear Gladys' boots.
That's right. Yeah. We're here at Burlington shopping, only Ode.
No, you know how
Jackets.
No, the jackets are really very good price. Like I made sure I picked mine's like $20. So I have 3, so it's about $6. I asked you to shop and you're like, no,
I save money, that's why, for GoPro Karma. Alright guys, see you at the Lantern Festival, Spokane, Washington, Riverton Park.
Hi! So we're finally here. This is the reason why we came all the way to Spokane. Lantern Festival. Yep. Come along with us. The entrance fee is $15 for adults. This is so cool, you guys.
I love blue Christmas lights.
They can't see it.
They can't see but it's okay.
Just show them, like we can walk through it.
So this is our view right here, right now. Na. Try look, there's lights.
I know, right? I wanna go in.
What can you say about it?
I'm glad I came here. It's nice. I think these bananas are talking. Are you guys talking?
There is a show going on. I think it's about Chinese culture. Oh my god, couldn't see myself.
Look, I'm so happy, you guys. I got this panda for $20.
I'm gonna tell Boo this.
The lady is asking 25 for it. Show them how big. The lady was asking 25. And I said, no, I only have $20 here. So I took out my 20 from my wallet and give it to the lady. I said, here's my 20. Take my money. I want the panda. And then
She's not.
And then finally she gave in.
Yeah. No, she's like, I'm not the manager. I'm not the manager. And then Ode just showed the money, and she's like,
okay.
Okay, whatsoever.
Alright guys, I think we're gonna end the vlog here and we'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye!
We are